Paces Restoration Services has over 25 years of experience restoring homes from disasters such as flood damage, fire damage, and storm damage in the metro Atlanta area. Paces can deliver what you need when you need it. We believe in providing first-class service to our customers, especially when the need can be so great from damage to your home. Paces works hard to restore your home to its original state so you can relax and count on us. We're also insurance claim specialists, making it that more advantageous for you to come to us for all your restoration needs.